Welcome. Today we're diving into how to start a group video call on Discord using your Android device. Whether you're catching up with friends or collaborating on a project, it's super simple. Let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, you'll need to create or open a group DM. Tap the new message icon located at the bottom right of your screen. This will take you to a new chat interface. Now look for the new group icon and give it a tap. It's usually represented by a little group of people. This is where the fun begins. You'll want to add the friends you want to include in your video call. Browse through your contact list and select the friends you want to join. Once you have everyone added, simply tap Create at the top right. And now for the moment we've been waiting for, starting the video call. With your group created, look for the video call icon, which looks like a camera, at the top right of the screen. Give it a tap, and you're all set, and there you have it. You're now ready to enjoy a group video call on Discord. Stay connected with your friends and make the most of your conversations. Happy calling!